Beautiful day indeed in the Dehiwala beach in Sri Lanka on 20th of December 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, in a war, when you are defending, you have to take a lot of cover up. Otherwise, you will be attacked. The defense has to be very strong and cannot let you down. But when you are attacking, you need to penetrate the defenses of the enemy and gain ground. Now, sometimes when you are defending, you have to take a lot of cover and cover up and hide behind many things. And we see today many of the esteemed global organizations and institutions, which is very well respected in the eyes of the public, like UN, WHO, IMF, the World Bank, the ADB, you name few, even International Criminal Court. All of these people we have seen taking cover, defending things that they have done. And then we see the politicians taking cover. And we see businessmen taking cover. Ladies and gentlemen, the truth cannot be covered. It is the lie that need to be defended and covered. And we see that it is gripping the society across the whole planet Earth. From the smallest of the countries to the biggest of the countries. From the powerful nations to the weak nations. The most developed countries to the underdeveloped countries. Most rich countries to the poorest of the countries. We see the rulers, the governors, the businessmen are taking cover, hiding behind, because many things that they are hiding are not connected to the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, you and I need not take cover if we are standing for the truth. If the truth in us, if we are rising for the truth. If there is falsehood, fake things, lies, naturally you need to defend it. You need to take cover of it. And there is a lot of cover that is taking place currently about the COVID-19 pandemic. The way it originated and the way the vaccines are produced, distributed and given to the people. And the way the economic frontier, things that happen across the whole world. We see this. The ordinary citizens of many of the countries do not know. But we are living also in the time things are being revealed. Because the fake things, the lies and the falsehood does not have long life. It gets exposed eventually. And it is this reckoning time that we are living in. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage you as we are going to emerge into the new year 2022. Let the truth live in you. You live in the truth. And you don't have to defend anything. You have to be bold as ever. And you have to move. If you cannot move by step, inch by inch, in the right direction.